Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about operators in JavaScript. Okay. So here I'll say let A is equal to 23 and I'll say let B is equal to 5. Alright. And I'll say A plus B. Alright. Now by now you would have guessed the output. So 28, 23 plus 25 is done evaluated here and the result is printed. Now this is a mathematical operator. Okay, plus. You can also have minus here. A minus B is 18, 23 minus 5 is 18 and 23 divided by B is 4.6 and multiplication we use star 115 and then if we use double stars here, if we use double stars, it is exponent. Okay, exponent. So 23 to the power of 5 is this much. Okay, now we have this percentage symbol to get the remainder of the division of A by B. So A divided by B. So how much is the remainder? That is obtained by using percentage symbol. Okay. So let me run now. And you can see 3 is the remainder of A by B division. Alright. Now you know that plus symbol is used to add two variables. Correct. But then this plus symbol can also be used to join two strings or concatenate two strings. Okay, so let me here say first name. All right, first name and let me say Ravi, and here let me say last name and here let me say Kumar. Okay, so you can see that I'm using descriptive names here for the variables. All right. And now I'll say first name plus last name. Okay. So when I run it, you can see I get Ravi Kumar as a long single string. Alright. Now, what if I want a space between Ravi and Kumar? Then I have to explicitly use a space inside quotes and mention it here. Okay, so I'll say first name plus and then inside quotes I will have a space. So you can see I have opening quote here, ending quote here or closing quote here, and in between I have a space, blank space. Okay, and then here I'll say plus. So first name plus space plus last name. Okay, so let me run it to get Ravi Kumar. So you can see plus is used to join strings 2. Alright, strings 2. There is one more way we can get this, but let us not go and learn it right now and get confused. But know that we can join two strings using plus operator. Okay. Next, let us learn about assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. So here I'll delete this, I'll delete this too. Okay, so I'll say let A is equal to 1 plus 3. Alright, let A is equal to 1 plus 3. I'll say console.log A. Okay, so when I run it, you can see I get 4 as output. So first what happens is this, so 1 plus 3, result is 4, and then it is stored in A. So 4 is stored in A and that A is printed out using console.log. Alright, now you can say A plus is equal to 5. Alright, A plus is equal to 5. Now this is equal to A, let me give space here, A is equal to A plus 5. Alright. So instead of saying a is equal to a plus 5, we say this a plus equal to 5. So this is also same, this is also same, or in other words, this and this both are same. Instead of writing it like this, we write it like this while programming. Okay. So now let us see what output we get. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is stored in a, and then I am saying a is equal to a plus 5. So 4 plus 5, 9. So I should be getting 9 as a result here. So let me run it and check it. So I get 9. So initially the value was 4, and then we used this, correct? So a is equal to a plus 5. So 4 is substituted here. 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 9 is stored in a, and that a value is printed out here. So 9 is printed out in this line. Okay. Next, you can also have a minus equal to 9, which is nothing but a equal to a minus 5. So let us run it, and you can see we get minus 1 as output. So a is 4 in this step, and in this step 4 minus 5, minus 1, and minus 1 is stored in a and is printed out. Okay. So instead of saying a is equal to a minus 5, we are saying a minus equal to 5. Alright. In the same way, you can have star, which is equal to this, a star equal to, a equal to a star 5. When I run it, you get 20 as output, because in this step it is 4 into 5 is 20, and that is stored in a and printed out here. Alright. Next is divide, a divided by 5. Okay. So let me run it to get 0.8. So 4 divided by 5.8, and that is printed out here. Alright. So these all are assignment operators. Okay. Assignment operators. Next we have a plus plus. So let us see what we get. Let me delete this for now. Okay. So I am saying a is equal to 1 plus 3. So 4. And then I am saying a plus plus, and then I am printing it out. So let me run it to get the output 5. So a plus plus is equal to a plus 1. Alright, a plus 1. So incrementing, we are incrementing the value of a by 1. Alright, and to increment any value by 1, we use plus plus. Alright, plus plus. So a plus plus means increment the value of a by 1. Alright, so we have 5 here. Next, a minus minus is also available. So a minus minus, run. Okay, 3. So it was 4 here, and we reduced it by 1. So 3. Okay, so these all are assignment operators. Okay. Next, let me say const. I am using const now. I'll say math marks. Okay, marks in mathematics is let me say 43. Okay, and I'll say const science marks is equal to 20. Alright, 20. Now in console.log, I'll say math marks greater than science marks. Alright. Now see, math marks is 43, science marks is 20. I want to check whether math marks is greater than science marks. Is it greater? Is 43 greater than 20? Yes, it is greater. So I should be expecting yes here. So instead of yes, we get true. Alright. If it is true, if it is yes for this, then you get true. If it is no for this, then you get false. and what you get here is boolean. Okay, we have one more data type called as boolean, which results in yes or sorry, true or false, and here I have true as output, correct? So which is nothing but boolean. Okay, now let me show you whether it is a boolean or not. I'll say type of, all right, I'll say type of, and inside brackets I'll have this. Okay, I'll have this. So when I run this, you can see I have boolean as output. That means whatever result I get from this belongs to boolean data type. Okay, boolean data type. So you know how to use type of, correct? So that is why I am not explaining it in detail. All right. Next, let me delete this boolean. All right. Sorry, type of. I do not want it now. Let me have this. Okay, math marks less than science marks. Let me run it to get false. So this math marks 43 is not less than science marks, and so I am getting an output false. Okay, I am getting an output false. So you also have greater than or equal to. All right, greater than or equal to symbol. It checks whether math marks is greater than or equal to science marks. But now here it doesn't make sense. So let me say, okay, science marks and 20. Let me say 20. See, let us assume a situation. You pass a subject if the marks is equal, if the marks is equal to 20 or greater than 20, right? If you score more than 20 or 20, then you pass that particular subject. So I want to check whether I have passed in science or not, because I have scored 20 here. I want to check whether I have passed in science or not. So let me run it. I get true. Science marks 20 is not greater than 20. 20 is not greater than 20. But then we have one more symbol here, is equal to. Now 20, is it equal to 20? Yes. So it is equal to 20. So it prints out true. So it checks whether it is greater than 20, whether science marks is greater than 20. If it comes out as false, then it checks whether it is equal to 20. It comes out as true, and true is printed. Okay, true is printed. Now you can have this too, less than or equal to. When you run it, you get true. Okay, you get true. Okay. So this is how you can use comparison operators to compare two data. All right. Next, let me say 5, okay, into 5 into 3 plus 9. All right. Now let me run it. I get 24, correct? I get 24. But then how do you know which one is executed? How do you know which one is executed? Executed in the sense executed first. So that is called as operator precedence. Okay, operator precedence. We'll go to Google now. Okay, I'll search MDN, Microsoft Developer Network, and I'll say operator precedence. Okay. Now I'll go to the first result, which gets me to a table. All right, which gets me to a table. All right, which gets me to a table. Yeah, like this. So you can see grouping has the highest value or highest priority. Okay, highest priority. So that is nothing but brackets. All right, and as we move down, we have multiplication, division, and remainder. So it has a value of 12. All right. Now it is not required to remember this. It is not needed to remember this. But we have multiplication, division, remainder. So if in an expression we have multiplication, division and remainder, then it will be done first and then addition or subtraction, because you can see addition and subtraction come below these three. So it is of 11 value, it is of 11 value, and so first this will be done and then this. Alright, so first here 5 into 3 is 15, so 15 will be added to 9, 15 will be added to 9, so we get 24. Alright, now if we do it like this, if we have this in brackets, okay, if we have it in brackets, let me run it, you get 60. Okay, you get 60. That is because, as I mentioned here, 18 grouping, if you have parenthesis, this will be of highest priority. Okay, this will be of highest priority. So first whatever is in the parenthesis will be evaluated. So 9 plus 3 is 12, and then it will be multiplied to 5. So 12 into 5 is 60. Okay, 60 is the output. So this is the order of operation. Okay, order of operation. You can refer this, but it is not needed to memorize all these things. All right. Yes. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and practice the things that we have learnt in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.